The creative is still central. The tools is just there to enhance that creativity and make it more effective.
Creative endeavour stays the same. It's always been the same.
Well, technology is making things become more accessible and more global.
And that's what technology is. Technology is being able to do anything, anywhere, anytime, really.
Being able to be open to learning new tools is the thing that will keep you employable and keep you on that cutting, almost like bleeding edge of the industry. This can be anything from using generative AI to help form workflow, to problem solve code.
We are in a phase where things are moving towards you don't really need to learn all of the softwares or all of the tools. Rather, you need to learn the creative side of things.
So it's great for generating ideas, but then a human aesthetic shaping those ideas is vastly important.
I see it taking away all the technical stuff and giving us artists more chance to use art.
Tools will change over time. What doesn't change over time is taste and judgment and personality and the ability to collaborate and to fit into an environment.
Just use it to help your creative process. It should not replace your creative process.
Their output is made meaningful by the human use of it.
It's just a natural part of humanity. Is anything new happening, everyone is just instantly threatened. So instead of being scared of it and thinking that it's going to be a dying industry, why can't you be the person to create that thing that is going to propel it forward and make it more worth it for the next generations coming?